Welcome to a walk around video from Darlington Car and Commercial. 2015 Suzuki SX4 1.6 petrol. It's a one owner car, full service history, 10 service stamps in the book. Electric front windows, electric mirrors, driver's seat height adjustment. This one has a Parrot system fitted for your Bluetooth, air conditioning, 5-speed, lovely condition, well looked after car. It's got the roof rails. The car will come to you fully serviced prior to collection, or we can deliver anywhere in the UK. It'll have a full independent MOT with no advisories. This one has a spare wheel. For the full specification, log on to our website at Darlington Car and Commercial. Give us a call, drop us an email, pop in at the showroom. Thanks very much for watching.